talk about chairs and a great way to reupholster your chairs very economically and not break the budget. So here are the original chairs. We have kids, you know, so you get handprints, markings, things like that. So a great way is to recover them with chair covers. These are actually from Amazon. They are $19.99. They come 2 in a pack. And so this is what it looks like. And then you simply just place it over the chair. Once I'm done with the chair, it looks like this. If you think that a pattern is too much, a simple way to do it is just have the pattern on the ends of the table and then get a different pattern or just a solid for the other chairs. So this is just a solid that we used. Again, it comes just the same way as the pattern one does, like so. 2 in a pack for $19.99. And we can mix it and put it at the table together and it looks like one set. And this way you don't have to pay to get all new chairs.